Hello there, my name is Azat Mardan. I am the author of React Quickly. In this chapter, it's one of the most important chapters of this entire book. In this chapter, Scaling React Components, I will explain you why React is so amazingly, absolutely, positively brilliant at working with large applications. So the philosophy of React, we build small, tiny, bitty components, but then we construct those humongous, large applications. Look at Facebook, look at Instagram. They have a lot of different widgets, a lot of different components happening. Look at React Quickly, lots of different components. So the way it all works, those components, they're self-contained. And the way to scale those components, I'm not talking right now about scaling in terms of serving more users. I'm talking about you, about the developer, about your team, about your department, how you can scale it. I'm talking about the community, about open source, how you can take one component, such as a date picker, and make thousands of developers use it. Well, I'll show you how, because it's very, very important. So please pay attention. The way to scale those React components to thousands and thousands of projects and developers and teams is there are certain features such as using children, this.props.children, so you can create a path-through component. Then set up the types, the property types. They would be validated. This is for development. So for development, set up the property types. It will make it easier for other developers to use your component. Define default properties. So set the default properties for certain properties, certain props, the props which you don't necessarily the other developers that don't necessarily have to customize. I will also explain you the best practice, how to construct React applications, presentational and container components. So you would have a container component at the very top level, and then you would have a bunch of presentational components. Presentational, they could be stateless. They better be stateless. They probably not going to have any browser events. They're very, very, very focused around the UI. They have a lot of classes, they have a lot of styles, so that's what they're good for. They are good at the presentation. And the container component, they're good at handling the state and working with data. So that's it for this chapter. It's one of the most important chapters. So please go ahead and read it, because it will change your life. It might change your life. I don't know if it will, but we will see. I'll see you in the next video.